registered for you in the mail.
Well, that's great. I could get jury duty now.
Boom, 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 boom.
Mr. Johnson.
Kevin Costner stars in the movie Swing Vote, the tale of a man who has the presidential election in his hands with one vote. Costner plays Bud Johnson, whose only saving grace is his brilliant daughter Molly, played by Madeline Carroll. Costner explains why fans will love the character.
Whatever ambitions he had are long gone, and really it goes from job to job, and we see that. A really likable person, pretty iconic rascal in American cinema is really, I think, what Bud is. And I responded to him caring for his daughter, and for the outside world that's just watching, that only sees one side of it, thinking, well, he's not that great of a pop. But then when you realize that the alternative was for him to be with the mom, then you start to not feel so bad about what Bud is. That, okay, he's not great, but he's at least getting her to school when he doesn't want to fish. He's complimenting her on the macaroni and cheese. You know what I mean? So there's sometimes we, in this world, we take a snapshot of somebody, but we all know deep down the deep dark recesses of our soul that there's usually two sides to a lot of stories, and so you can look at Bud in one way, and then when you realize that he's actually doing the best he can in his own way, it doesn't let him off the hook, but you feel differently about him.
The movie also stars Dennis Hopper plus Stanley Tucci and Kelsey Grammer as the candidates. It hits theaters this weekend, August 1st.
Maybe not.
The only question now is, who are you going to vote for?